So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Informatica Hub. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. और यार फिर से नए हो इस चैनल पे, एक रिक्वेस्ट है आप सभी व्यूअर्स से, आप लोग सब एज ए यंगस्टर हो, समझ सकते हो कि व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दिस. I want you all do subscribe my channel if you are really interested in IT related content, IT related information, college related information, and all things that is related to an engineering student or a science student from college, from his class 12 to college to the company. And even after that, I am planning to bring a lots of switching videos, like they will be sharing their experience, how people have switched the company, how they have made a hike of 200, 300, 400% after the switch and all. So all the videos I am trying to make in this channel. So if you are really interested for all these things, do subscribe my channel यार. मेरे दोस्त समझ के मेरे को सब्सक्राइब कर दो, ये रिक्वेस्ट है आप लोगों से. और वीडियो नहीं पसंद आता है तो सिंपली आई वुड से कमेंट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स दैट एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू आर expecting from this video. So without any delay, let's start the video. And this video is all about Wipro Technologies. So Wipro Technologies right now has started rolling out the offer and joining date for 2022 graduate. In fact, 2022 graduate, they have started rolling out offers and all. So basically this time they are hiring for Wipro Turbo and Wipro Elite. So first of all, Wipro Turbo is a profile which pays you higher. For a fresher category, the pay is almost twice as comparing to Wipro Elite. So there is the biggest news right now in the market that yes, Wipro is giving MacBook Pro to all the Turbo candidate or those who have been selected for a Turbo drive. So basically yes, this is the correct news. If you want to check, I will try to attach some of the screenshot that yes, people are receiving MacBook Pro. Wipro is sending MacBook Pro as the joining kit. That is not yours, but yes, till you will be in the company, that's yours. So MacBook Pro for all the joinees, okay, of Wipro Turbo profile, because Turbo I think have started getting their offer letter, joining date and all the assignment, allotment and all. After that, there might be doubt for you all that Elite profile के लिए what they are giving for Elite profile क्या चीज के लिए eligible है. बहुत सारे doubts आ रहे होंगे आपको that if Elite profile is getting that or not. So basically coming to the, after doing a few of the researches, I found that very few of the member of Elite profile had got that laptop. It totally depends upon the technology or project you are assigned to. Mainly you will be getting an HP or a Dell kind of stuff. Okay. So don't need to worry on this because all these things are nothing but it's a kind of motivation for you all to work in a great space. Rest, the thing is that if you are getting desktop also in the fresher, as a fresher you should try to learn the things, because the learning will be the main key or a main backbone that will drive you to the next level in your career. Okay. So learning is the most important. All these are the subsidiaries. So I just want to inform you all, Wipro has started rolling out the onboarding and DOJ. So if you are really waiting, so start waiting, because when your turn will come, it's totally as per the needs requirement and totally as per the luck. So you will be getting it very soon. So let's sum up the video that Wipro is sending offer letter for 2022 candidates. Turbo candidates are getting that MacBook Pro. That is something good in service industry. Freshers usually do not get unless there is an iOS or something kind of project. After that, Elite वाले को भी मिल रहा है, but yes, not for all. And rest, all the things is going great. So as you will be getting your offer letter, joining date, I wish you all a very best and wish you all luck from Informatica Hub. Till then, all the best for all your upcoming interviews, placement drive, onboarding processes, and yes, do subscribe my channel if you dislike. If you don't like this video, do put up in the comment box that what exactly you are expecting from this video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and all the best for all your upcoming